Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus ClickUp. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for notes, wikis, and flexible project tracking. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a powerful project management platform designed to streamline complex workflows and team collaboration. Both tools aim to centralize your work, reduce context switching, and ultimately boost your productivity, but they approach these goals with different core philosophies and feature sets. Let's dive into their unique offerings. Notion truly shines with its incredible flexibility and customization, making it ideal for building personal dashboards, team wikis, and interconnected databases. Its block-based editor allows you to create almost any type of content, from simple notes to complex project trackers. Users love its clean, minimalist interface and the ability to tailor every aspect to their specific needs. Plus, it offers a generous free personal plan with unlimited blocks and pages, making it accessible for individual users. ClickUp stands out with its robust and extensive suite of project management features, boasting over 100 customizable options. It provides advanced task management, time tracking, goal setting, and detailed reporting, all designed to handle intricate projects. Its hierarchical structure, including spaces, folders, and lists, helps organize even the most complex workflows. ClickUp also offers a free plan, providing 100 megabytes of storage and unlimited tasks, perfect for small teams or individuals starting out. So, which one is better for you? If you prioritize a highly customizable personal workspace, a powerful knowledge base, or a flexible content creation tool, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your main requirement is comprehensive project management with advanced task tracking, reporting, and team collaboration features, then ClickUp will probably serve you better. Both platforms offer free tiers, allowing you to explore their core functionalities and decide which aligns best with your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.